the budgeting series. Okay, let's start. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to start a business with 500 euros or less. First off, let's talk about why 500 euros is enough. Focus on essentials like limited funds force you to prioritize what truly matters. Avoid waste. Skip fancy branding, premium website, and unnecessary tools. Relentlessly. Business grow through action, not spending. Now your core business startup kit. Domain plus hosting 25 to 50 euros. Canva Pro, CapCut Pro 10 to 20 euros. Fiverr freelance 15 to 30 euros. Email platform 0 to 10 euros. Paid ad test 50 to 100 euros. ChatGPT Pro 20 euros. Now, it's all about choosing the right business model. Content creation agency offers social media content, blog posts, or video editing to businesses. We can use tools that I mentioned above. Digital product, create and sell ebook courses or templates with minimal startup costs. Affiliate marketing, build content around products you recommend and earn commissions. Local service business, offer design, video, or consulting services to nearby business. This is your 5-week execution plan. Week 1, research plus plan. Week 2, build minimal product. Week 3, launch online. Week 4, first ad test. Week 5, reinvest profits. These are 4 things that you should not spend on. Fancy branding, course hoping, premium website, unused subscriptions. These are some stories. Take action today, choose your model, create your plan, invest wisely, and start growing. Thank you everyone.